This week we're down at Vista Waikoloa at the Waikoloa Beach Resort, right across the street from the Hilton. So let's enter this gated condo community. Welcome to Vista Waikoloa. Vista Waikoloa spans just under 9 acres and it includes 7 buildings with a total of 123 residences, and as I mentioned earlier, sits across the street from the Hilton Waikoloa Village with easy beach access just a short walk away, which is a big reason that people love this location. Every building has elevator access, parking is assigned, and the grounds are beautifully maintained. Now let's go check out the pool area. It opens up to a 75-foot heated saltwater lap pool, along with 2 separate spas. It is great for morning swims, afternoon lounging, or winding down after a beach day. The pool is long enough for real lap swimming, which a lot of owners appreciate. As we leave the pool area, it's worth noting that this is a private amenity reserved for owners and their guests only. So that keeps the space feeling very private and relaxed. There's a lot of outdoor living built into this community, as you can see by just walking through at the large lanai spaces for each unit. We're gonna head uphill toward the covered barbecue pavilion and gathering area. There are 6 gas Weber grills, a kitchen setup, and plenty of seating for casual gatherings. This area is available to owners, renters, and guests. Now let's head over to Unit E206. As we step inside, the kitchen feels clean, modern, and functional. It's been fully remodeled with updated cabinetry, more storage, and finishes that work beautifully for everyday living and entertaining. The kitchen flows right into the dining and living areas, which feels open and comfortable. Porcelain tile flooring runs throughout the main living space, keeping things cool and cohesive. And then you see the views. Large sliding doors open to an expansive wraparound lanai, and this is where this unit really shines. The lanai measures approximately 381 square feet. It's big enough for dining, lounging, and relaxing all at the same time. Because this is an end unit, the lanai feels especially open with fantastic views and great airflow. Morning coffee, sunset dinners, quiet evenings. This is the space that defines island living. As we move back through the living and dining area, the layout continues to feel intuitive and livable. The guest bedroom is well-sized, offering flexibility for guests, family, or even a home office. And then the primary suite is oversized thanks to the end unit position with additional windows that bring in natural light. It feels calm and private, set apart from the main living space. The primary bathroom has been beautifully updated with a floating vanity and modern fixtures, and the overall feel is clean, comfortable, and well thought out. This unit comes turnkey and includes a short-term vacation rental permit. Vista Waikoloa is a community that balances resort access with real livability. Close to beaches, shopping, golf, and dining, but calm once you're inside. It's established, it's well built, and it's very well maintained. Thank you for joining me today on this tour of Vista Waikoloa. If there's anything I can do to help, please reach out. I have my information on the screen below, and go to my website at Kohala Coast Living to find out more.